Welcome back to Auto Junction, the place where we bring you the most exciting and in-depth reviews of the latest cars, SUVs, and motorhomes. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Auto Junction. Today we're going to talk about something truly unique, the all-new 2026 GMC Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels, and GMC has brought back a legendary name with a modern twist that combines luxury, practicality, and performance in one bold package. Stick with me till the end, because you're going to want to know every single detail about its exterior design, interior features, performance, and of course, the price. Now, let's start by looking at the exterior, because GMC has reimagined what a motorhome should look like. The 2026 GMC Motorhome carries forward the iconic silhouette of its original 1970s ancestor but with futuristic enhancements that make it stand out in today's market. The front fascia is bold and commanding, featuring a massive chrome-accented grille that's unmistakably GMC, flanked by sleek LED headlights with a signature daytime running light pattern. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, with a streamlined profile that improves aerodynamics, which is not just for looks but also for efficiency. The two-tone paint schemes add a modern flair, and massive 22-inch alloy wheels give it presence and stability on the road. At the back, wraparound LED taillights and a wide-opening tailgate complete the look, blending utility with style. This is a motorhome that doesn't just serve a purpose, it makes a statement wherever it goes. Step inside, and you immediately realize this is not your ordinary motorhome. GMC has designed the 2026 model to be a rolling luxury lounge. The cabin is incredibly spacious, thanks to smart packaging and a flat floor layout. Premium materials dominate the interior, from genuine leather upholstery to real wood and brushed aluminum accents. The front cockpit feels futuristic with a fully digital driver display and a massive central touchscreen that integrates navigation, entertainment, and climate controls. It's intuitive, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even GMC's latest connected features with over-the-air updates. But where the GMC Motorhome really shines is in the living area. The 2026 model offers a flexible layout that can be configured to seat, dine, relax, or sleep comfortably. Plush reclining chairs, a fold-out sofa, and a dining table create a cozy yet functional living room setup. The kitchenette is fully equipped with a compact induction cooktop, a microwave, a refrigerator, and ample counter space finished with durable stone-like surfaces. Overhead cabinets and hidden storage compartments make sure you can bring everything you need without clutter. Moving further back, the bedroom area feels like something you'd expect in a boutique hotel. A queen-sized bed with memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and USB-C charging ports create a restful environment after a long drive. The bathroom is surprisingly roomy, with a walk-in shower, modern sink, and high-quality fixtures that feel more residential than RV-like. GMC has really leaned into creating a space where you can live for days or weeks on the road without compromise. Add to that features like a panoramic sunroof, customizable LED lighting, and even optional rear entertainment systems, and you've got a true luxury home on wheels. Performance is an area where the 2026 GMC Motorhome surprises many. Under the hood, it comes with a powerful 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering strong torque to handle highway cruising, steep inclines, and towing needs with confidence. For those looking at sustainability, GMC also offers an all-electric version with dual motors and a range of around 300 miles per charge, supported by fast charging capability. Both powertrains are paired with an advanced suspension system that smooths out the ride, making long journeys comfortable. Despite its size, the GMC Motorhome feels stable and reassuring to drive, with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system that takes the stress out of maneuvering such a large vehicle. Fuel economy for the V8 version isn't class-leading, but that's expected in a vehicle of this size. However, GMC has worked hard on aerodynamics and weight distribution, so it's more efficient than many rivals. The electric model, on the other hand, is a game-changer for eco-conscious travelers, offering quiet and emission-free journeys. With regenerative braking and smart energy management, it's designed to make road trips more sustainable without sacrificing capability. Now let's talk about safety and technology, because GMC knows families and adventurers want peace of mind. The 2026 Motorhome comes standard with GMC Pro Safety Plus, which includes automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert. Higher trims add features like rear cross-traffic braking, trailer monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving capability on highways, making those long drives more relaxed. On top of that, the motorhome is equipped with onboard Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports throughout the cabin, and a high-end Bose sound system to keep everyone connected and entertained. So, how much will all of this cost you? The 2026 GMC Motorhome starts at around $185,000 for the base model, which is already generously equipped. Moving up the trims, you'll find versions with more luxury finishes, advanced technology packages, and extended living features, pushing the price closer to $230,000. The all-electric model is expected to command a premium, starting at around $210,000. Considering the level of comfort, tech, and performance, GMC has priced it competitively against other luxury motorhomes while delivering a more modern, stylish, and capable package. At the end of the day, the 2026 GMC Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It combines the freedom of the open road with the comfort of a luxury home, and it does so with GMC's signature toughness in design language. Whether you're a family looking for adventure, a couple wanting to travel in style, or simply someone who values versatility, this motorhome could be your perfect match. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 GMC Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more vehicles that push the limits of design and performance, make sure you hit that like button, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to Auto Junction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.